Hello, my name is Albert Godey. I'd like to discuss with you today your website and some possible improvements that can be made to it. As we take a look over the website, you can see a couple things that stand out right away. You have a lot of empty space on your left and right sides, and everything is kind of just scrunched into the middle. And that's the way it looks on my screen. It may look different on somebody else's screen. But most monitors nowadays use the widescreen format, and so it would show up this way for many people. And there isn't necessarily anything wrong with this, but because it's cramping all that information together, it can make it hard to read for some people. Maybe a little jumbled to navigate through as well. We also have the list of links along the left side here. And that's quite a lot, and the color of the font can make it hard to read a little bit as well. So we could start by trying to consolidate some of those links to free up more space. Additionally, something can be done about the overall design. What this is an example of is a non-responsive website. And what that means is that right now at full screen, all your information is centered on the screen and viewable. However, if I was to minimize it like I just did, as I narrow the width here, that information, links, and everything else is getting cut off. Now, there are solutions to this, and that can actually be seen from a website that is linked here on your main page, this Rover Sports Register. If we were to click over to them and take a look at their page, now you can see here that it's substantially less cluttered. Their links occupy the top header of this web page, and they have submenus. So you can go to a general category like About, and then you can see all the additional links within it. A design like this will help to consolidate all those links that you have along the left side of your screen and free up a lot of space. Now, they also have a lot of empty space on their left and right sides here. They are using a background to showcase their vehicles on it though. But also, if we were to minimize it, you can see that their information automatically adjusts to accommodate the screen size. And what that means is that none of their data is going to get cut off to their customer. And having a layout like this is very important for a customer, because if they find that it's difficult to navigate your website, they're going to be less likely to do business with you. And of course, the website here, the main purpose is to entice customers to visit you. Additionally, you can see that they've consolidated their images as well into an auto-scrolling format here that you can also click through as well if you want to go at a quicker pace. And this helps to also clean up the data and make it easier for a customer to navigate. As we scroll down, you can see that each window is organized into a specific format and category, and the overall layout is consistent. If we were to come back and take a look here, there is a order of consistency here, and the images occupy the main middle of the screen, but their sizes differ. Their content is unrelated to one another. It's overall difficult to discern what means what. Like the click here, is this in reference to the image above or the image below? Things of that nature. So I think a lot of improvements can be made here. And if you're interested, we can certainly talk and go over the design that you would like to see. There are design articles out there that talk about the proper way to lay out your websites in today's world. There's a gentleman who has written an article in regards to including everything in the kitchen sink, which is a little bit of what we have going on here. But if we were to include some of the attributes from the other website to consolidate those things, I think there is room for a lot of improvement here. So thank you very much for your time. My name has been Albert Godey, and if you would like to continue, please contact me.